Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to GFX Mysteries. I am your mysterious teacher. I hope you guys are doing great in your lives. So I have come with a new course which is brand identity course, and some people may call it corporate identity too. But before telling about this brand identity, I want to tell you that how impactful this course is in your graphic design career. And this course, after watching this complete course, you will be able to work for any kind of brand. You will be able to make any brand worthy by your designs, and you will be able to make audience familiar with any kind of brand. So this is very interesting and very demanding course, and this is something, brand identities are something that is very demanded nowadays on freelance marketplaces. So I hope you will follow this course completely on my channel. So let's start. First of all, the question arises that what is brand identity? Answer is this, that brand identity is basically the visual appearance of any brand, and it consists of different things such as logo. Brands use logos, which is basically their true identity, and brand always use the proper color palettes which they'll be following. They never change their color palettes. Brands use the typefaces, and they never change their typefaces. They use 2 or 3 typefaces, but they never change their typefaces after that. And they use proper texture and pattern, and that texture and pattern they'll never change. And if they are using any kind of voice note, they never change that voice too. So these all things, once they have selected these all things, they never change these things. So the purpose behind that they want to create uniformity, and they want to create rhythm basically. So uniformity is the key basically in brand identity, and this is basically the definition of brand identity, that brand identity is the basically visual appearance of any kind of brand. So you may call it a theme too, but that a theme is always followed in brand identity. If we talk about examples, here is the example of Facebook, that Facebook is always using this color palette and they have never changed this color palette. If we talk about Twitter example, they are always using this color palette and they will never change this color palette. Apple is always using these 2 colors, black and gray, and we may see these 2 colors in their packaging, in their designs every times, and they are basically constructing a theme behind their products, that they are always using these 2 colors. So this was basically the theme, and basically these all things which I have told you is called brand identity. That brand identity is formed basically by using a proper theme, and that theme is basically constructed by a logo and a proper typeface, a proper color palette, proper textures and pattern, and these all elements we use to construct a proper theme behind this all brand identity process. If we talk about purpose of this theme, so purpose of this theme is basically to create a visual identity, because when a customer or a client see one theme every time with one brand, it will form a trust on that brand, and this all process of making a brand familiar with a lot of audience is known as brand identity. So in this course we will be making business cards, letterhead, envelope, DVD cover, certificate, mugs, paper clips, etc. So these all things basically are the key factors which are involved in brand identity, and which are involved in familiarization of brand with their clients and customers. So I hope you guys like the introduction class, and in next classes we'll be making designs. So follow GFX Mysteries and share it with your friends. I hope this course will be very impactful in your graphic design career. Thank you.